In this video, we'll show you how to clear the browser cache in Google Chrome. If you're having problems with loading websites or other issues while using Google Chrome, then clearing the cache should fix the issue. We will open the Google Chrome browser on our PC or laptop, and we have to navigate to the settings. So tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then find the Settings option in this menu. When you open the Google Chrome settings, find the Privacy and Security at the left side of the screen. The next step is to click on the Clear Browsing Data option, and this little window will pop up over our screen. We have two different sections, which are the Basic and Advanced. Select the Basic section, and we have a couple of different options that we're going to customize. Firstly, we have the option to select the time range for clearing the cache. You can set this to the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, and so on. I'll delete the cached files and data from the past 4 weeks, and we have 3 different options at the bottom. You can uncheck the browsing history if you don't want to remove all the different websites that you had visited. Just make sure that the cookies and cached images and files are selected. You can then tap on the Clear Data option and wait a couple of seconds until Chrome deletes the cache files. All you have to do now is to exit the Google Chrome browser and reopen it, and you should solve your issues. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you soon.